Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the Bass Guy. Just giving y'all an update. I got my new instrumental dash panel in. This is the new one right here. I just picked this up from the Chevy dealership today. Everything is intact and looking nice. This is my old one that I told y'all that I had. That had cracks. All this is cracked during my build. All of it cracked. Holes everywhere. So I decided to get a new one just so the truck looks really good, but at the same time, very loud. So I'm definitely gonna secure everything. I bought new, what is it? Trim panel bezels. I bought that as well because I'm gonna get my wood grain back. I'm taking off that black carbon stick cover that I had on my wood grain. So I'll order all new bezel trim panels because my old one's got a whole bunch of wood dust, MDF wood dust in it, and I'm just getting rid of it just to get rid of all that other dust as well. And this thing is probably just gonna get salvaged or thrown away. But I'm gonna install this today. And I'm also getting new seat covers and a new overhead console for my dome light. So all my stuff is getting replaced, and it's gonna be sealed. And I'm gonna do something with this to make this pretty sturdy, so it don't crack. But I got a good reason why it cracked, and I think it was because I didn't bolt everything down when I had this truck years ago when I was kind of new at cardio. So, but yeah, just giving y'all an update that it's here, and this is gonna get installed today. Y'all got any comments about this? Hit me up.